Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent lag in rooted devices. You need to download some applications like LagFix Premium and the other one is SE Fix. These two apps help a lot in preventing lag in rooted devices. Let's start it. LagFix Premium. When you on LagFix Premium, first LagFix is a user-friendly implementation of FSPREM Linux utility. It comes, and then the second option, LagFix. There, in the options of frame, system, data, or cache, you can select anything. I will be selecting all the three and start run and finish. Hooray! Some devices might need a reboot, so kernel could reinitialize blocked data, but most do not. My device doesn't require to reboot. So after going to home screen, you need to select SE Fix. After selecting SE Fix, first when you install it, the threshold will be 64, and to increase the smoothness of your tab or any device, you need to pull the bar completely. And after the bar is pulled completely, the entropy which is here will be increasing. It will be going on increasing till you on it, and it will be working even if you off it also. So the changes are saved automatically. So go to home screen and remove all the running apps. After removing all the running apps, you can see a drastic change in your device. The lag is removed and your device becomes very smooth. This works only for rooted devices, so you better be sure that your device is rooted. Otherwise, both apps will not be working. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll be keeping many more videos like this.